Video today we will see patterns and structures part 11, which specially we will discuss about this it, how we use it, the usage of it in English grammar. It looks very simple for you today, but I will tell you in three places. There are many places that we will be using it, but today we will see specifically three places where the usage of it is used. See here, it is used as a pronoun. Keep the bag on the table. If you take this as a noun, so we can say keep it on the table. Keep the bag on the table can be said as keep it on the table when you are specific, you are sure about the subject. Give the ball to me. Pass the ball to me. You say, pass the ball to me. When you are playing basketball or football, you say, pass it to me, like that. So, pass it to me. Draw the picture neatly. Draw it neatly. So, in place of the bag, we use it. In place of the ball, we say it. In place of the picture, we say it. I don't like the movie. Can be told, I don't like it. I don't like it. Where did you keep the key? Where did you keep it? Where did you keep it? Who presented this chain? Who presented it? The book is mine. Here you can say it's mine. It's mine. The dog is ours. It's ours. Here it refers to the dog is ours. So, one area where we use the it as a pronoun we have seen today, that is the bag. It's on the table. It is give it to me. Draw it neatly. I don't like it, like that. Then second, it can refer to a whole fact or an event or a situation. When we want to refer any situation, an event or a whole fact, we use it. See the example now. Our passports were stolen. It completely ruined our holiday. Our passports were stolen. It completely ruined our holiday. It was a fantastic program. It's talking about an event. It's talking about a whole fact or a situation. It's terrible. Everybody got cold. It's terrible. Again, it can be a situation or it can be a fact also. Wasn't it lovely there? Situation. Wasn't it lovely there? It's boring. State. Situation. It's boring. You say it's boring. Like that. So, our passports were stolen. It completely ruined our holiday. It was a fantastic program. It's terrible. Everybody got cold. Wasn't it lovely there? It's boring. So, this is the second area where we use it. Now, another interesting area, let us see. It is used as a meaningless subject. Instead of putting subject there, we use it in some places to begin the sentence. We can call it as dummy subject, dummy it. You see here, it's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, this is a, it is a subject, is a verb. So, it's 10 o'clock. Here it is not the pronoun, it is not the pronoun, it is acting as a dummy subject, as a meaningless subject. So, it is 10 o'clock. It rained for 3 days. We say it's raining. It rained for 3 days. It's hot. It's 30 degree, maybe the heat. It's a pity that he is so stupid. It's a pity that he is so stupid. It's a long time ago I have seen him. It's a long time ago I have seen him. It's long time since I saw you. It's long time since I saw you. It's terribly hot. It is terribly hot. It's nice having you here. It's cruel to beat a dog like that. Here you see, it is a dummy subject. Is the verb. Cruel to beat a dog like that. It is raining hard. It is a subject here, dummy. It is raining hard, present continuous. It's a long way to Chennai. It is a dummy subject here. So, it can be used in these ways. One, we use it substitute as for a noun, like the bag means it, ball it, the picture it. We substitute the subject or the noun with the pronoun, it as a pronoun. Here it is used to refer a whole fact or event or a situation. Here it is used as a meaningless subject or a dummy subject. It is a very small video with some very interesting fact, so that you should learn how to use it appropriately and correctly. That is why this has been shown to you, and you can form more sentences on this. Grammatically speaking, a question may come whether it can be a subject. Yeah, it is a subject because it is a dummy subject. In order to complete the sentence, we use it, which we call it as a meaningless subject. It does not have any meaning, but we need a subject, we use it so that the sentence can be completed and then we understand it. That is all. In the next video, we will see some other structures and patterns. Thank you.